Honey badgers are truly remarkable creatures, known for their boldness and tenacity in the wild. They are small but mighty, with a reputation for taking on animals much larger than themselves, including lions, buffalo, and venomous snakes. One of the key reasons honey badgers are so fearless is their thick, tough skin, which acts as a sort of armor. This helps protect them from bites and stings, especially from venomous creatures like cobras, which they will often attack without hesitation. Even if they are bitten by a venomous snake, they can survive the bite due to their high pain tolerance and incredible resistance to toxins. Their sharp claws and powerful jaws also give them an edge in combat. Honey badgers are skilled hunters, often going after small prey like rodents, birds, and insects, but they're also capable of taking down larger animals when needed. The honey badger's ability to adapt to various situations, combined with its relentless nature, makes it one of the most fearsome animals in the wild, despite its small size. Honey badgers' survival tactics are truly fascinating. Here are some additional aspects of their behavior and biology that contribute to their reputation as one of the most fearless and relentless animals. 1. Incredible adaptability. Honey badgers are incredibly adaptable and can live in a wide range of environments, from savannas and forests to deserts. They are opportunistic feeders, meaning they'll eat whatever is available, whether it's small mammals, insects, birds, or fruits. Their diet also includes reptiles, and they are known to raid beehives for honey, earning them their name. This resourcefulness and ability to survive in diverse habitats are part of what makes them so resilient. 2. Tough skin. The honey badger's skin is one of its defining traits. It's tough and loose, which makes it difficult for predators or prey to grab hold of them. In addition, the tough skin provides some protection from bites and stings, especially from venomous creatures like snakes. This remarkable skin, combined with a thick layer of fat beneath it, also helps honey badgers survive harsh conditions, including extreme temperatures. Their skin's resilience is so extreme that it can even withstand the attacks of larger predators, such as lions or hyenas, to a certain extent. 3. Impressive defense mechanisms. Honey badgers are known for their ability to defend themselves aggressively when threatened. They have sharp claws and strong jaws, allowing them to tear into prey or defend themselves from attackers. When threatened by larger predators, they often adopt a defensive posture, standing on their hind legs, exposing their sharp teeth and claws, and will attack without hesitation. The honey badger is also capable of running at high speeds when fleeing danger or in pursuit of prey. Venom resistance. One of the most fascinating aspects of honey badgers is their resistance to venom. They are known to survive venomous bites from snakes, like cobras, puff adders, and vipers. While other animals would succumb to the poison, honey badgers seem to be immune to it. This resistance is attributed to their evolved tolerance to venom and their ability to rapidly metabolize and neutralize toxins in their system. When bitten, honey badgers may show signs of distress, but they can often shake off the effects and continue hunting or moving. 5. Relentless hunting style. Despite their small size, usually only weighing around 20 to 30 pounds, honey badgers are fierce hunters. Their strong jaws and sharp teeth allow them to crack open tough exoskeletons of beetles or dig up burrowing creatures. They are known to use their strong claws to dig out prey from underground burrows, and can even take on larger, dangerous animals when food is scarce. Their ability to take on venomous snakes is perhaps one of their most well-known hunting behaviors. They will engage in a fight with a snake, often waiting for the perfect moment to strike or kill the snake before consuming it. The honey badger's incredible pain tolerance allows them to endure venomous bites, while their quick reflexes enable them to fight back fiercely against the snake. 6. Social behavior. While honey badgers are generally solitary animals, they do display some interesting social behaviors. They have a wide-ranging territory that they defend fiercely, marking their territory with scent glands. When honey badgers do come together, it's typically for mating purposes or when a mother cares for her young. Mothers are incredibly protective of their cubs and will aggressively defend them if they feel threatened. 7. Vocal communication. Honey badgers communicate through a range of vocalizations, including growls, grunts, and squeals, which are used in different social contexts, such as during mating, when they feel threatened, or when engaging in a fight with another animal. Their growl can be intimidating, signaling their readiness to defend themselves if necessary. 8. Intelligence and problem solving. Honey badgers are also quite intelligent, known for their ability to use tools and solve complex problems. In captivity, they have been observed opening cages or even unlocking gates to escape enclosures. In the wild, they may use sticks and other objects to help extract food from difficult places, like beehives or crevices. Overall, honey badgers' fearless nature, toughness, and adaptability make them one of the most impressive and resilient animals in the wild, whether taking on a venomous snake or fending off predators much larger than themselves. Honey badgers embody the true spirit of survival and relentless determination. Their tough exterior, combined with their resourcefulness, makes them a force to be reckoned with in the animal kingdom. 9. Role in the ecosystem. Honey badgers play an important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem, especially in areas where they are native. As opportunistic feeders, they help control populations of small mammals, insects, and reptiles. By digging up and consuming burrowing creatures or insects, they contribute to pest control, which can help maintain healthy plant life. Their ability to take down venomous snakes also helps regulate these dangerous species, preventing them from overpopulating areas where they could potentially threaten other wildlife or even humans. In this way, honey badgers help keep the populations of venomous snakes in check, ensuring that no one species dominates the ecosystem. 10. Honey badger and bee hunting. The honey badger's name comes from its love of honey. But it's not just a sweet tooth that drives it, it's also a remarkable display of survival tactics. Honey badgers are fearless when it comes to raiding beehives. They will dig up hives, endure bee stings, and risk getting swarmed by angry bees, all in pursuit of the honey inside. Despite the potential for painful stings, honey badgers have a few tricks up their sleeves. They have thick skin and a layer of fur on their face, which protects them from the majority of bee stings. They often eat the larvae and honeycombs inside the hive, making them a key player in pollinator dynamics, as they help control the populations of bee colonies. Interestingly, honey badgers will sometimes partner with other animals like birds to gain access to hives. The birds will often alert the badgers to the location of a hive, which shows another layer of social interaction among species. 11. Cubs and mother-child relationship. Honey badger cubs are born blind and helpless, but their mothers are incredibly protective. After birth, the mother will provide a safe den and carefully guard her young, keeping them in hidden burrows for the first few months of their lives. Unlike many other species, a mother honey badger will stay with her cubs for an extended period, teaching them survival skills, such as how to hunt, defend themselves, and find food. However, these young honey badgers are equipped with the skills they need to survive in the wild, due to the rigorous training from their mothers. 12. Territorial behavior and marking. Honey badgers are known to be very territorial animals. They use scent glands near their anus to mark their territory, a behavior that is similar to other carnivores, like big cats and bears. They will mark trees, rocks, or even the ground, leaving behind a strong-smelling secretion that serves as both a warning to other animals and a way to establish dominance in a certain area. This territoriality is particularly important when it comes to mating. Male honey badgers are known to establish territories that they defend from other males, and they often engage in aggressive fights to claim dominance. These territorial behaviors help maintain a balance in the population, ensuring that males don't encroach on each other's breeding areas. 13. The honey badger's endurance and stamina. Honey badgers are often associated with incredible stamina. Not only do they have the strength to fight off large predators, but they also have impressive endurance. In the wild, they will travel long distances to find food, especially in arid environments where resources are scarce. Their ability to adapt to extreme temperatures also aids in this, as they can thrive in both hot desert climates and cooler regions. In fact, honey badgers have been seen climbing steep rocks and traversing difficult terrain in search of food or to escape predators. Their muscular bodies and endurance allow them to keep going without tiring, making them even more difficult for any predator or rival to catch. 14. Honey badgers and humans. While honey badgers are incredibly dangerous to other animals, they are also known for their bold interactions with humans. In areas where honey badgers and people coexist, honey badgers will often raid crops or scavengers' food. If cornered or threatened, they are not shy about attacking human-made structures, such as tents, vehicles, and even farm equipment. Interestingly, honey badgers have developed a reputation among humans due to their fearless nature. In some regions they are seen as symbols of bravery or even reckless determination. Their ability to stand up to animals much larger than themselves and survive harsh conditions has turned them into a kind of mythic creature in some cultures. 15. Honey badgers in pop culture. Honey badgers gained widespread fame after a viral YouTube video, titled, "The Crazy Nastiest Honey Badger," was released in 2011. The video, which featured a humorous, exaggerated narration by comedian Randall, showcased the fearless nature of honey badgers. It became a global sensation, making the honey badger even more famous and cementing its reputation as the most fearless animal. Since then, the honey badger has been a symbol of bravery, strength, and relentless attitude in popular culture. The viral video, while comedic, accurately portrays the honey badger's tenacity and fearless nature, making it a pop culture icon. 16. Conservation status. Though honey badgers are not currently considered endangered, they face threats due to habitat loss, hunting, and human-wildlife conflict. In some areas, they are hunted for their pelts or because they are seen as pests. As human populations expand and encroach on their natural habitats, honey badgers are increasingly finding themselves in conflict with farmers and local communities. Conservation efforts are essential to ensuring the survival of honey badgers, particularly by protecting their natural habitats and promoting a greater understanding of their role in the ecosystem. 17. Honey badgers' relationship with other animals. Despite their fierce reputation, honey badgers have an interesting relationship with other species in their habitat. While they are solitary creatures for the most part, honey badgers do interact with other animals in various ways. Symbiotic relationships with other animals. Honey badgers sometimes have symbiotic relationships with birds like the greater honey. This bird will often lead honey badgers to beehives, where the badger can break open the hive and feast on honey and larvae. In return, the bird gets to feed on the remnants of the hive. This is a great example of mutualistic behavior, where both animals benefit from the interaction. Competition with other predators. Honey badgers don't shy away from competing with other carnivores, including bigger predators like jackals and hyenas, over food. They may fiercely defend their food, and in some cases, a honey badger has been seen driving off much larger predators when it comes to a fresh kill. They are not afraid to stand up to other animals, even though they are often much smaller in size. Predators and threats. While honey badgers are tough and fearless, they are not invincible. Large predators such as lions, leopards, and hyenas will sometimes target honey badgers, especially if they are sick, injured, or young. However, their thick skin, tenacity, and ability to retreat to burrows or trees when necessary help them escape the most dangerous threats. 18. Honey badgers' digging abilities. Honey badgers are exceptional diggers, and they're strong. Sharp claws make them well suited for digging up prey from the ground. Their powerful digging abilities come into play when they are hunting animals that burrow, such as rodents, tortoises, or even underground insects. They will often dig several feet down to get to their food, sometimes disrupting the earth to the point of creating a noticeable disturbance in the landscape. This ability also allows honey badgers to escape predators or seek shelter in burrows. These burrows can be abandoned by other animals, such as aardvarks or ground squirrels, and serve as the perfect hiding spots for a honey badger in times of danger. 19. Honey badgers and water. Although honey badgers are often associated with dry, arid environments, they are also skilled swimmers and can navigate water if necessary. They don't shy away from crossing rivers or streams when foraging or escaping threats. Their ability to swim further adds to their versatility as predators, and they can often be seen in a variety of landscapes, from deserts to grasslands and even near water sources. 20. Unique communication. Honey badgers have a wide range of vocalizations to communicate with each other, especially when interacting with their cubs or signaling a threat. Their sounds include growls. These are often a warning or an expression of aggression. Hisses when threatened. Honey badgers will hiss to warn off potential predators or rivals. Squeals. These are more commonly heard when honey badgers are in distress or feeling threatened. Interestingly, honey badgers are not especially vocal animals compared to some other mammals, but when they do make noise, it's usually loud and full of intent. Mating behavior and reproduction. Honey badgers' mating behavior is somewhat solitary and unremarkable compared to other species. Mating often happens in the wild during the spring or fall. The males typically roam around looking for females in estrus, and once they find a mate, the pair will mate for a short period before going their separate ways. Mating is not necessarily a highly social activity for honey badgers, as they are generally solitary outside of the breeding season. Females will give birth after a gestation period of around 6 to 7 months, typically to a single cub though twins are possible. Cubs are born blind and dependent on their mothers for survival, gradually growing into the tough, independent animals they are known for. 22. Honey badgers and their reputation. In addition to their viral fame due to the honey badger don't care video, honey badgers are often portrayed as an emblem of fearlessness and toughness in cultures around the world. Their relentless nature, combined with their ability to take on larger predators and survive harsh conditions, has made them a symbol of bravery and resilience. In some African and Middle Eastern cultures, honey badgers are even seen as symbols of independence, stubbornness, and courage. They've been referenced in various forms of folklore, literature, and media. The honey badger's reputation for not caring about the odds stacked against it has contributed to its cultural importance. 23. Honey badgers in captivity. While honey badgers can survive in captivity, they tend to be difficult animals to keep due to their highly independent and territorial nature. In zoos or wildlife sanctuaries, they often exhibit challenging behaviors, such as escape attempts, aggression, and difficulty with socialization. They do better when they have access to digging spaces, climbing structures, and varied diets that mimic what they would find in the wild. 24. Famous honey badger encounters. There are numerous documented instances of honey badgers displaying their characteristic bravery in the wild. One famous encounter involved a honey badger confronting a lion. The honey badger was cornered by the lion, but rather than backing down, it charged at the lion, causing it to retreat. Such remarkable displays of courage have only added to their status as one of nature's most fearless creatures. Another widely circulated story involved a honey badger attacking a group of humans after it was cornered. While the incident was unusual, it only reinforces the idea that honey badgers do not back down easily, even when faced with much larger adversaries. 25. Honey badgers' physical strength. While honey badgers may not look like much, they are surprisingly strong for their size. Their muscular bodies, combined with their sharp claws and powerful jaws, allow them to perform feats that would seem impossible for an animal of their size. They can break into tough animal burrows, crack open tortoise shells, and wrestle with venomous snakes. Their strength also comes in handy when defending themselves against larger predators or when they're competing for food with other scavengers. They're often able to overpower and defeat animals that are much larger, such as a python or even a leopard, by using their sheer strength and tenacity. Their powerful bite can easily crush bones, adding to their status as tough predators. 26. Honey badgers' diet and foraging behavior. While honey badgers are most famous for raiding beehives for honey, their diet is varied and opportunistic. Their range of prey includes insects. Honey badgers consume a large number of insects, including beetles, larvae, and ants, which make up a significant portion of their diet. Small mammals. They will hunt rodents, rabbits, and other small mammals. They use their strong digging claws to dig out prey from burrows. Birds and eggs. Honey badgers will hunt birds and raid nests for eggs, which provide a quick protein source. They are known to target reptiles, especially venomous snakes, which they hunt with a strategy that includes swift attacks and, at times, overwhelming them with their sheer persistence. They will sometimes even eat lizards or small tortoises. Fruits and roots. On occasion, honey badgers will forage for fruits and roots, particularly in areas where meat is scarce. Honey badgers are opportunistic, which means they'll take advantage of whatever food source is available to them. This adaptability is a key to their survival in environments where food can be scarce or unpredictable. 27. Survival skills in harsh environments. Honey badgers are well equipped to survive in some of the harshest conditions. They are most commonly found in dry, arid environments, such as the deserts of Africa and the Middle East. Their ability to survive without constant access to water is one of the reasons they are able to thrive in such environments. During the heat of the day, honey badgers will often rest in the shade, conserving energy, and during the colder evenings or nights, they can huddle in burrows to stay warm. 28. Incredible persistence. Honey badgers' reputation for persistence is unmatched in the animal kingdom. They are known for never giving up on a challenge, whether it's trying to catch a difficult prey or escaping from predators. When faced with a problem, honey badgers will try again, using creative approaches to overcome obstacles. This determination is seen in their constant quest for food or during fights with larger animals. In one famous story, a honey badger was reported to have fought off a lion that was trying to attack it. Despite the size difference, the honey badger's tenacity and refusal to retreat were so extreme that the lion eventually gave up.